Welcome back to Triple X Learning. Today we have this question on your screen. Here we have 4 to the power x plus 2 to the power x is equal to 1. How we can solve this question? Here you can see that 4 is the square of 2. Just I can write this one as 2 to the power 2, and there is a power x over here, and here we have 2 to the power x. This one will come on the left side, so its sign will change from positive to negative, and here we have equal to 0. Now here we can do one thing, that is this power will going to multiply with x, so it is coming 2 to the power 2x plus we have 2 to the power x minus 1 equal to 0. Now this can be write as 2 to the power x, and there is also power over here 2, and plus 2 to the power x minus 1 equal to 0. 2 to the power x can be considered as, suppose here y equal to 2 to the power x, that should be greater than equal to 0 for every for every x that is element of real number. So this can be write as y squared plus y minus 1 equal to 0. If I am going to compare with this standard quadratic equation, suppose ay square plus by plus c equal to 0. So we have this value for y is, if I am comparing, I have value for a is here 1, and b is your also 1, and c is your minus 1. So we have y equal to minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac divided by we have 2 into a. So we can put all these values over here, and after putting this value we have here, this is y equal to, if I'm putting this value for b, that is coming minus 1 plus minus root under b square. So here we have this value, this is coming b equal to 1 square minus 4, a is also 1, c is minus 1 divided by 2 into 1. So yes, so we have y equal to minus 1 plus minus root under 1 plus 4 divided by 2. So we have y equal to minus 1 plus minus root under 5 by 2, and we have y equal to minus 1 plus root 5 by 2, and we have minus 1 minus root 5 by 2. This value is going to rejected. This is y is not element of y is not equal to minus 1 minus root 5 upon 2, because because this is 2 to the power x is greater than 0 and it is negative value, so this is not going to be correct over here. So what I am just going to do, I have this one in this way, that is I can write here 2 to the power x, and that one is minus 1 plus root 5 by 2, and this one is write as suppose 2 to the power x, so it is coming root 5 minus 1 by 2, and I'm taking log on both sides, so I'm taking log in this way, log and root 5 minus 1 by 2. So x will come down just before of log 2, so 2 log 2 here, and here log root 5 minus 1 by 2. So obviously x is equal to log root 5 minus 1 by 2 divided by log 2, and this is our solution. Thank you so much for watching my videos. For latest upcoming, please subscribe my channel. Okay, see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.